Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today is a Dollar Tree haul. So it's been a couple weeks since I've been to the Dollar Tree because I have been on vacation and all that stuff. So I was really excited to pop in there yesterday and it feels like I had been gone forever. So I picked up a few items and I'm excited to share them with you. I will have my entire Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist linked down below in the description box. It includes any Dollar Tree oriented video I've ever made. So definitely check that out if you love Dollar Tree oriented videos. Also too, before we get into today's video, I did want to ask you to subscribe. And while you're subscribing, go ahead and hit that bell notification. That way you're always notified when an upload goes up. Also too, I do have a current giveaway going on. And if you're interested in that, I will have that video linked down below where you can find out how to enter and what the prizes are. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So the first item I picked up is really cute, and I actually picked up a similar pair at Christmas time. I'm gnome obsessed. I love gnomes. And so I've been seeing a lot of gnome stuff at the Dollar Tree, especially in other people's videos. And I haven't come across the plushies yet, but I have found socks and some decor. And so I found a pair of Christmas ones around Christmas time, and I stumbled upon these. They're little Valentine's Day gnome socks. So I thought these were super cute, so I definitely had to pick up a pair. I do really like the Dollar Tree socks. They're really lightweight, stretchy, really nice, and I do wear them from time to time, so I thought these are really, really cute. So this was something that I'd never seen before. I don't know the brand, but it's a polishing cloth. The directions say run the cloth under warm water and squeeze out the excess water. Use the cloth to wipe away cleanser. So I guess, when you cleanse, sometimes I just use a rag to wipe it away. Sometimes I'll just use water. And then it says wash it after every third use. So yeah, I thought that would be just something interesting to try just because it looks like it's kind of like a microfiber. Actually, let's take it out and see. I love the pink stitching. That's really actually very nice. That's a really nice little cloth. It feels like a mix between like a microfiber and a very soft terry cloth. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this. I'm always looking for little skincare things. So I think this will be really nice and helpful at kind of getting the cleanser off my face, and especially off like my neck. It's hard to kind of rinse your neck. So I think this will help a lot with that. So I also picked up these. So this is a 3-pack of the Kleenex on the go. And I bought some tissues from the Dollar Tree where you get like 8 packs for $1. And they're not great. They are nice to have like a couple in my car and one in my purse, like in a pinch, but you kind of really have to use like 2 of them. So I figured 3 for $1 of the Kleenex would be a much better quality and just something that I will enjoy a little bit better while still being a steal and just very, very convenient. So I picked up some of those. So I picked up this little bottle of Goo Gone because we are doing a renovation, so we've got some new windows and doors. So we've got like a picture door that's got a big obnoxious sticker on it that of course you can't get off. So I purchased this just to have on hand, but specifically for the door. So I picked up a little bottle of this. And I also picked up these removable hooks. These are not the Command brand, but they are like the Dollar Tree generic. And there's 2 types, and you have to kind of be careful. They have the ones that stick on and they don't have the pull, like the little strip. These ones have the strip, and I wanted to give them a try. Honestly, Command hooks are very hit and miss for me anyway. I clean the wall, I put them on, I press them on for the 60 seconds, and then I wait at least an hour. But sometimes I'll have one that'll stay up forever, and then I'll have one that falls down at some point. So for me, Command is very hit or miss. So I did want to try these, and so of course these are like the generic version, and you get 2 for $1 versus they do have like little single packets of just the regular Command hooks. So I did want to try these. The ones that just stick up are really not that great. They end up coming off. I just had one come off my wall, and I was lucky it did not damage my wall, but they can. So I'm going to try these, and I will let you know. If you remember my beauty room tour, I have wigs hanging up everywhere in my beauty room, like 3/4 hair pieces. So I have Command hooks everywhere and just hair hanging. So that's what these are for. So I got a bunch of makeup. I am on a low buy, almost no buy, but a low buy. But it does not include Dollar Tree makeup because it's like the one thing that I feel like I can test new products out often for you guys. I actually decluttered some of my LA Colors eyeshadow last year, and I kind of regretted it because there's times where I want to dupe palettes or do a look and I don't have colors because I gave away. So I kind of restocked on some stuff to have in my collection so I can dupe palettes and all that kind of thing. And I picked up some new stuff. So let's just go ahead and get into all the makeup and beauty stuff. These are actually repurchases. I've had these before. Like I said, I decluttered them and I decided I wanted them back in my collection. So it's the LA Colors 3-color eyeshadow, the trios, got the shade Iris and Lotus. So I just thought these are very good colors to have. That way when I want to do palettes or do a specific look, I can do it. And these are very nice quality eyeshadows. These particular ones are all shimmers, but I do have a couple more natural color stories that have some mattes as well. So I thought these would be really fun to have back. I was really missing them. But they did go to a good home, so of course I'm always happy to do that. And of course, you know, in $1, you know what I mean? You just can't beat it. Then I picked up this color story that I don't have. Again, they're all shimmers, but this is called Water Lily. And I've been eyeing this one and thinking it was really pretty. So I thought that would be really nice. Those are pretty. Again, very buttery, you know, shades, like when you put your fingers in them to swatch them, they just feel so creamy. You know, for $1, you can't beat it. And they've got a beautiful sheen. Really, really stunning. So I think I have all of the color stories now. I'm pretty sure. And then I actually just recently picked up the color story Lucky. And then I picked up another color story, which I don't think I've shown yet on the channel. It's in my basket of new makeup. And then I picked up another color story. This is the LA Colors 6-color eyeshadow. This is in the shade Hot. It's like a neutral color story. So that way when I want to do like a Dollar Tree neutral look, I can do it. I have access to some neutral shades, and I figured out around Christmas time that I love these little 6-pan palettes. I did a like a holiday green look with the green version of this. It's in the shade Lucky. I will have that link down below if you would like to see that. But yeah, these are really nice. And then these loose pigments, I have all the neutral shades, but I don't really have any of the like the pink or the purple or the yellow. And so I picked up the gold one. It's in Sunshine. But this is like a long-time dupe of that. So let's swatch the gold. Very shimmery. It's hard to tell the way that I have my shade closed, but I have kind of sun coming in here a little odd right now. But it's really gorgeous. Of course, I've loved the shimmers that I've used, and I've heard nothing but great things about this shade. And then I've never used this brand of eyeshadows. I've used the Beauty Benefits brand before, but I've never used their eyeshadow. So I picked up 3 of their singles. I picked up Rich Amethyst, Pink Fire, and Sugar. And there are the 3 shades. Very creamy, especially the purple. And that white is gorgeous, really gorgeous. Very excited to have those. Actually, the pink did not really stain my fingers, which is a really good thing. I usually always have that happen with pink eyeshadows. So I got a couple pairs of eyelashes. I had never seen these before. They had a few different styles, but these are the only ones that really stuck out to me. It's Diamond Cosmetics, and this is in the style Lovesick. These were kind of where all the Valentine's decor was. And like I said, they had about 5 or 6 different styles, and I decided to go with these because they're a little different than what I normally wear, but some of them were a little too natural for my taste, and there was one pair that was really dramatic, but they looked a little plasticky, so I decided to go with these and try this style. And then I got these, not for myself, but for a future giveaway. It's a pair of Ione lashes, and these are in Natural Light Doll, so I thought those were really dainty and natural looking. You know, sometimes I just think everyone's gonna want like dramatic lashes like I use, so, you know, sometimes forget that, like, you know, my Dollar Divas might want some natural lashes, so these are gonna be in a future giveaway. So I got a couple of lip glosses. These are also from the brand Beauty Benefits. And this is actually a lip gloss. It's the So Lit Lip Gloss Shine. This is in the shade Girl Next Door. Kind of a really pretty nude shade. Then I got the Beauty Benefits Lasting Flush Liquid Lip Color. This is in Pretty Pink. And they had several shades of the lip gloss and the liquid lip color, but I just kind of picked up the 2, one of each that I really liked. It kind of smells like the plumping gloss, the LA Colors plumping gloss, which I'm actually wearing right now on top of lipstick. So the lipstick is shiny, although it says liquid lip color matte, so it might dry down to become matte, but there those are. Really pretty, very, very pigmented. I'm very excited to try those. Then also by Beauty Benefits, I picked up the Go With The Flow bronzer. This is in Deep Tan. I love the little packaging. It's so bright and happy, and I just love it. I do have a bronzer that I love by them, as you know, and I wanted to give this a try. That way I can do a new full face and try out a new bronzer for you guys. So that is the shade in the pan. It's really dark. I didn't see another shade, I don't believe, so I went with this one. So this might have to be put on with a light hand. Very pigmented, matte. Look at that. So yeah, that will probably have to be put on with a very light hand. So yeah, it's very creamy, so I'm very, very excited to try this. Then 3 more things. Now I have one of these in black, and so I picked up the one in coffee. It's the e.l.f. Brightening Eyeliner Pencil. I don't know why they call it brightening. The other one did too, but it's an eyeliner from e.l.f. and this is in the shade coffee, so it's like a brown shade. And like I said, I already have black. And then I just recently did a top-rated makeup from the Dollar Tree, and this was on that, so I wanted to try it. I was hoping to find like a brown shade as well. So it's the LA Colors Eyeliner / Brow Pencil, and it's a 2-pack, comes with a sharpener, and these got really good reviews. The only shade they had was black, so I can use it like as an eyeliner and just see how it compares to like the LA Colors retractable or other ones that I have used. If they had a lighter color, I would have picked one up for my eyebrows as well, but they did not. So I will be on the lookout for sure. But yeah, I was very surprised. I'd always just kind of overlooked these, just not having any real hope, mainly because it's a 2-pack. I figure, oh, probably not good quality. But then it got really good reviews, so I mean, let's see. I mean, it goes on the hand nice, but I know that that's not always an indicator. But yeah, we will definitely try it out. And like I said, I'll be on the lookout for a lighter shade for my eyebrows as well. And then last but not least, I actually picked up a set of these sometime back at the Dollar Tree, and they were a smaller version. And these are a bigger version, like a longer version. And it's the Sassy Chic Eyebrow Razors. I've got some Revlon ones that have a long blade like this, and I really love them. I actually use them for my face, and the smaller ones I didn't really like. It was just too small, and what you always gotta be careful of is the edges. That's where when I cut myself, it's that. So I like having the longer blade, because I go over the areas less. So I'm gonna try these. So I'm not crazy about the other ones that I got. So I'm gonna try these and see if I like them better. So very excited to try those. So I hope that you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul, and drop a comment down below if you have purchased any of these products, and if you like or don't like any of these products, definitely let me know. Also too, definitely make sure you check out my Dollar Tree playlist link down below, as well as that giveaway video if you are interested in more Dollar Tree videos or entering my giveaway. Definitely check those out. Also too, if you enjoyed this haul, show me you did by hitting that like button, giving it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.